square sheet. Means your work is 100 into 100 millimeter with a rough sheet. If you have a paper sheet, so first watch the video, then you start the marking 100 by 100. Okay. So now, sir. So here, so now for this experiment, we got three things. One, so now for this experiment, we got three things. One is
aim of the experiment. Second is raw material. Third, tools and equipment. Next step of this experiment is procedure. So procedure means different type of operation will be here. So now the first operation, the first step is here. The name is measuring and marking. So what is meaning of measuring and marking? Before doing anything by any type of work, so measuring and marking is necessary in the first basic point. So here, this is our sheet. On the sheet, we first, according to the instruction of the instruction sheet by drawing sheet, we have to measure and mark according to dimension. So what is the dimension here? 100 millimeter into 100 millimeter area we have to require. So first we check it is 100 or not. Then we have produce the 100 to 100 millimeter material. So now it's above the 100 millimeter and we check it's 100 above the 100 millimeter. So now we have to mark it with a proper direction. Proper direction means our experiment name is to prepare a square tray. For the square tray, we have required a square sheet. So we have got the material according to instruction and it should be a square. Square means each side should be right angle. How we will check a right angle? Now this tool, the name is tri-square. Through this tool we can check the right angle. So first you take any side of the materials out of four sides. So which one is straight? That side you keep. It has two parts. One is B, another is blade. You first mark A, B, C, D. It's a four side. First you remark is the origin point means reference side like A. Then you put your tri-square like this. Any position you can put it. Then you simply A is a constant. You draw a line. Okay. So now A is the origin means is the reference side. It has no lines. So this line name is B. Okay. Now A and B is a 90 degree now. According measure now. Tri-square. So now A and B is now right angle. So you have to require 100 into 100 millimeter sheet. So B2 Anwar, you mark a point on the left side. Which distance is 100 millimeter. Take 2 points for the straight line. Okay. So this is 2 points. You have to join now these 2 points like this. And once you also check, you can check it is a right angle or not. Now see it's a right angle perfectly. So this is A, B, and this point is this line is D. Now one side is your pending A2 and what? Distance, which distance is 100 millimeter. You make a point A. Point B. Then you connect each other, the point, then you get sheet. You see here, A, B, C, D. Area. This area is 100 into 100 out of this material. We have to cut it, this material, and find out our raw material for the experiment. So here,
Sir,
this cutting process name is blanking.
sir,
Huh?
can you please again repeat the dimension?
Okay.
Sir, basically we have to sir, basically we have to from a sheet we have to cut 10 centimeter 10 centimeter.
So here, first I'm discussing. Look, if you have a sheet which size is more than 100 millimeter, and you have to cut it, but you have to mark it first 100 millimeter to 100 millimeter, and each side should be 90 degree. Okay, because you are preparing a square tray, so your base material require a square shape. Okay, so for that reason, first you measure it 100 by 100 each side, then you'll start the cutting. Okay, so next video you'll cut means simply first you collect a first you mark measure a 100 by 100, then you cut, and you mind it your each side should be 90 degree into 90 degree. Then after another marking will start. Yes, now.
Understood, sir.
Okay, Shivam, bolo.
Yes, sir. समझ गए, sir.
Okay. So now I'll start the second video. Look, it's the third video. Here I'll cut.
Blanking process means when you cut any required size of sheet from a large piece of sheet, so that process is called as blanking process. So blanking in the blanking operation will use, you can use this instrument. The name is knife.
You look this video. So as per the marking, you have to draw a line on your paper sheet. Then you start the cutting. Okay.
Sir, sir, we can make the square start from anywhere, uh, uh, from any corner of the sheet, or we have to draw just like
Yeah,
from the
yeah.
middle.
If you're taking the corner, any corner, it will be better for you because your A4 size sheet is already in the both area, side is right angle. So only you
Yes.
have to draw the point distance of 100 millimeter. It will be better for you if you're taking any corner.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so after the cutting this material blanking operation, once again you can check its dimension and squareness. So first we'll check the dimension. You see here is a 100 millimeter and this one is also 100 millimeter. And angle means squareness. How you check? Once again, this line is matched means is a right angle. This line is matched means no is a right angle. This line matched the right angle, then matched. Four sides matched means is a now perfect squareness.
So we'll cut it, sir.
Yes, so now, according the video, first you measure and mark, then you start the cutting. So after the cutting, individually you show me that piece. Please switch on a video and show me. I'm telling you, your video, your cutting paper is perfect or not. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Done, sir.
Ravi, sorry, Rishabh, please switch on your
Yes.
camera and show me. I'll tell you that is perfect or not. Okay, so Rishabh, now you check your seat dimension perfectly 100 or not, and also you check the side angle. Each side should be right angle. Okay, so 90 degree here and then if it is 100 by 100, then we wait and for the next video.
Sir, done, sir.
Shivam.
7490, sir.
Okay, Shivam, show me individual. Hmm.
Perfect, sir. 90 degree.
Okay, thank you. Done.
Perfect, sir. 90 degrees, sir. Done.
Sir.
Hmm. Okay, 870.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, good.
Sir,
Hmm.
750.
Okay. 64, good. Prasan.
Sir.
Huh.
Sir,
Anshul, it's okay.
sir,
Sir, 761.
Yeah, 61, good. 56, okay.
sir, 752.
52. Okay.
Sir,
60, yeah, 60, good. So, okay, so this is the material, workpiece. The next step, we'll draw the lines as per instruction on that paper sheet. So, on the next video, we'll get this marking or measuring process. So, we watch it carefully. If any doubt in between, you tell me. Okay, I'll explain. So, now,
So now we'll follow the diagram, the layout. So here two diagram is available. One is layout, another is completed tray. So first we follow the layout. According to the layout, we have to prepare it. So first, according to the layout, we have to marking it. Means how what? The marking? Now here is the division. One is a 25 millimeter partition line. Midpoint is 50 and another is 25. Same thing, this one is 25, center is 50 and is 25. Now it's complete. Check once again.
सर डायमेंशन क्या था?
It's a 25, center is 50, another is 25 millimeter. So each side is 25. The center square dimension is 15 to 50 millimeter. So another thing, once you will draw, according to the instruction sheet, you will draw another line from the 50 line to onward, on the right and the left, any two side choose. So which dimension, but distance is 8 millimeter. You make a point which distance is 8 millimeter like this. Then you will draw line. Same here, 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter, then line. Okay, this distance is 8, this distance 25, this area distance 50, and this is 25, so 8. So after this type of marking, then 45 degree we have to angle draw here. So how we'll draw the angle of 45 degree? Now you know, in the corner, already 4 small square is here. You see, this is a small square. 1 rectangle, 4 small square, 4 rectangle, 4 small square, and in the center is a big square. Which dimension is 5 into 5? But small square, you have draw the diagonal for the 45 degree angle. Now it's okay. So you see, this angle is 45 degree. So now we follow the instruction sheet and go to next step. The next step operation name is notching operation. So now we'll follow the diagram, the layout.
Okay, dear students, now you draw the lines of marking according the video on your paper, 100 by 100 millimeter paper, whichever you collected. Then you draw all the lines and marking, and then you show me. If you want to once again watch the video, so I will play, and if you want to watch the video photo or still photo the particular lines.
Sir, can you show us the diagonal line measurement, sir?
Okay.
Sir, that 8 mm diagonal measurement. And
Okay. Once I will play in the video and watch and you tell me particular point, then I will stop the video and you watch it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here now it's complete. Check once again. It's a 25. Center is 5.
Okay,
follow.
dear students, look, so how to divide the partition line? Now, from the outer line, you take it to 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter. So you draw the line each side. The center will be a big square, so which dimension is 50 into 50. And each side is a 25, means you look, this area is 25 millimeter and this is also 25. This center is 50 millimeter. Okay. So first you divide it, and then 8 millimeter lines you will draw here and here and here, and then you will draw the diagonal. You will get the 45-degree angle. So now you watch.
50, another is 25 millimeter. So each side is 25,
Sir,
25,
please mute.
25.
It's
The
echoing.
center square dimension.
Sir, while playing the video, mute yourself. Yes.
Satyavata. Tell.
No, sir. I am telling that, sir. While playing the video, sir, please put your mic in off because it's
Okay,
echoing.
okay.
15 to 50 millimeter. So another thing, once you will draw according to the instruction sheet, you will draw another line from the 50 line to onward on the right and the left. Any two side choose. So which dimension or distance is 8 millimeter. You make a point which distance is 8 millimeter like this. Then you will draw line. Same here, 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter, then okay. This distance is 8. This distance 25. This area distance 50. And this is 25. So 8. So after this type of marking, then 45-degree we have to angle draw here. So how we'll draw the angle of 45-degree? Now you know, in the corner, already 4 small square is here. You see, this is a small square. 1 rectangle, 4 small square, 4 rectangle, 4 small square, and in the center is a big square. Which dimension is 5 into 5? But small square, you have draw the diagonal for the 45-degree angle. Now it's okay. So you see, this angle is 45-degree. So now follow the instruction sheet and go to next step. The next step operation name is notching operation.
सर वो 45 डिग्री से डायगोनल से पूरा ले लेना है.
हेलो.
मतलब जो सर साइड में डायगोनल बना सर एक बॉक्स में उसका एंड पॉइंट मिला देंगे तो 45 हो जाएगा.
यस. सो आपका जो शीट है, देयर इज अ 4 स्मॉल स्क्वायर मिलेगा ना जो कॉर्नर पे. इन द वो 4 स्मॉल स्क्वायर का डायगोनल लेना है आपको. सो व्हेन यू ड्रॉ द डायगोनल ऑफ द कॉर्नर, then you'll get 45 degrees. Diagonal means a 45 degree. If you divide a square, so both diagonal, then you'll get 45 degree automatically. Okay, simply draw the diagonal. So okay, now after marking and drawing the lines, show me. Then we start the next video.
Certain. Rule 767.
Now,
Show me. I'm missing. Your video is not, your line is not visible clearly. Please थोड़ा पीछे लो, zoom out करो. क्या नहीं चल रहा? I'm missing. Okay. Good.
So 746 done.
746 4 of.
Sir, 745 done, sir.
Sir,
827. 827 done.
You show me whether correct or not.
Sir,
Or-
eight
Sir, it is correct. Sir, 750.
Yeah. Satyavrata, correct. Saurav.
746.
Saurav, your line is not visible clearly.
Sir,
Sir, 749 done, sir.
7, okay. Okay.
We have 751.
Sir, 762.
Sir, 802.
Good. 82 or 51, 60, 64. Okay, defining nicely. 51,
Sir, 830.
830. Siddhant, your line is not
Sir.
visible clearly. You are drawing the 8 millimeter line or not?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, 8 mm.
But your diagonal is only one side, you draw it. Your both sides.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So after the measuring and marking corner preparation video, so next video is our notching video. Notching video means here you have to cut some unwanted sheet from the workpiece, and means just like a trimming type of work. Through the knife is used for the sheet cutting. If you have paper, then use your scissor and you prepare it. Okay, so watch the video carefully. Now,
notching means is the type of operation, a type of working procedure.
Sir,
Through this operation, we
sir, I want to show also. 753.
53, Saubhagya. Who?
Sir,
Yeah. Good.
okay, sir.
we have to cut a angle type or edge type material by the form of small chips. It's called as notching. So here we have to cut and we have to apply the notching operation. How? Use this type of these tools. The name is knife. So first you see this is your diagram, layout diagram. First you have to cut it. And simply you remove the triangle of the corner of the small square. Okay, so first step you remove the triangle, which triangle is present on the corner of the small square. First you remove that by you cut that. Then another triangle is here present. You see, this is another triangle. This point 2 and 3, 4. This 4 triangle you have to remove. How? Like this. Ready? Don't cross the 50 line during the cutting. Okay, then
सर वेट सर
like this.
सर पहले हम लोग डायगोनल कट कर लेते हैं सर, वेट सर।
Okay.
सर ये वीडियो रिपीट कर सकते हैं प्लीज?
यस सर, और थोड़ा जूम कर दीजिए।
Can you see?
बेटर।
यस सर, कट हो गया सर।
सर प्लीज रीस्टार्ट।
Like this. Remove.
सर ये वाला पार्ट सर फिर से दिखाएंगे सर, वो डायगोनल
सर रीस्टार्ट कर दीजिए।
छोटा ट्रायंगल वाला। हाँ सर।
Remove. You see during the cutting. Okay, then like this. Removed. You see is removed, and here cut. Removed. Next.
So, okay. So first do it, then
सर
yeah, Shivam.
सर ये नहीं समझ में, ये स्मॉल ट्रायंगल मतलब हमने वो बिग ट्रायंगल कट कर दिया सर, ये स्मॉल ट्रायंगल वाला समझ में नहीं आया।
So मैं once I will play the video, don't worry. कि आप लोग काटो मत अभी, मतलब जब कंफर्म हो जाओगे then you'll start the cutting. Okay. So
तो इसको रिपीट पे सर फिर से लगाएंगे सर, ये स्मॉल
yeah.
ट्रायंगल वाला फिर से समझ नहीं
ये
आया।
सर ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा एक और बार लगा दीजिए।
okay, don't worry.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
सर ऐसे करना ना।
Yeah, Neil Jain is 806. Yeah.
यस सर,
Good.
थैंक यू सर।
You remove the triangle, which triangle is present on the corner of the small square. First you remove that, by you cut that. Then
समझ गया।
another triangle is here present. You see, this is another triangle. This point 2 and 3, 4. This 4 triangle you have to remove. How? Like this. Sorry. Don't cross the 50 line during the cutting. Okay, then like this, removed. You see, is removed, and here cut, removed. Next. Okay, you see, so after the cutting, the removal of the triangle, both two triangle, you will get this type of shape on the metal sheet. And next step, you have removed another small triangle is here. Those present 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, this is a small triangle. You can remove. I can cut it. Okay, so now see, after cutting we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 trapezium, and a brick square whose dimension is 15 to 50 millimeter, and this distance is 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter, 25 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter. So clear? Notching means in the type of you see, this is your diagram, layout diagram. First you have to cut it. And simply you remove the triangle of the corner of the small square. Okay, so first step you remove the triangle, which triangle is present on the corner of the small square. First you remove that by you cut that. Then another triangle is your present. You see, this is another triangle. This point 2 and 3, 4. This 4 triangle you have to remove. How? Like this. Don't cross the 50 line during the cutting. Okay, then like this, removed. You see,
Sir, 745.
and here,
Sir, is it okay? 745.
Okay. A02 first ठीक है.
सर 755 डन सर.
Okay, 767, 34, 46, Saurabh. Okay, so 56,
751.
51, okay. 58, 51, good. 14, yeah, perfect. Ananya, yeah, 861. Okay. So 50,
You have to cut the
755.
Yes,
Your dimension is not perfect. You look your wait. 55 your dimension not perfect because the center should be 15 to 50 and each side the height of the trace should be 25 into 25. But your height I think is 15 or 10 millimeter. You once check it and you prepare once again. It is wrong totally.
नो सर राइट है बट थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया है.
No. You look cutting means area dimension looking not 15 to 50. You check once again.
ओके सर.
Sir, 764.
Okay, 90. Okay. 64. Good.
Sir, 792.
92. Good.
Sir, 752.
52. Okay.
753.
सर 838.
38. ठीक है. 31.
752.
Okay, 31. 72 and 65. Better. Good.
So 53.
53. Yeah, good. 76. Vaibhav. Okay, Bhavya. Good. Any others? Those are completed. 31.
Sir, 831.
Okay. 55 complete. 27. Good.
Sir, 860.
860. Ananya. Okay. So, the students now playing the next video. Rishabh. Okay. Good. What? So okay, so next video is our bending video, means bending process will apply here. So preparation of for tray. So simply according the video, you'll fold the four rectangle is there on your paper. And your base should be 25 into 25, sorry, 15 to 50 area, and height is 25, 25, 25. And so trapezium is for the locking purpose, it will fold. Okay, so now you watch the carefully with the video, and the same thing you apply on your paper sheet.
After the notching, we'll get this type of shape on the metal sheet. Next step, next procedure is bending procedure. Means we have to make a square tray. Square tray means here we'll get four side, which is the height of the tray. On the base, this one 50 into 50 is the base of the tray. So according to this dimension, we have to bend it. So before bending, you have to make a plane surface. How? Now through the hammer on this anvil, you put your sheet on the anvil surface, on the anvil face. Then you give small blow amount of pressure here, just striking here lightly. Don't strike in heavily. It will be flat and straight position. Okay, so now it is perfect. Next step is bending process. What is the bending process? Bending is one type of process. Through this process, we apply some amount of pressure or some amount of force to a particular point for angle or desirable shape find out on the sheet. This is called as bending procedure. Okay, so now we keep a steel rule on the line of 25. Here, like this, and this is a plier. It also helps to bend the material, and you keep on the surface of the anvil both at a time. You can fold it, steel rule, and you hold both things, steel rule or sheet, and at a time you get the pressure. You get the bending. Same another thing. Look, after bending, we'll get this type of shape. But this is not perfect. Why this is not perfect? Now, according to our instruction sheet, we have to make it, the size is 50 into 50, the area of our means base, and height should be 25 into 25. So first we have to check it, is it 50 or not. You see the 60 above, and another side is 60 above. It means it is not perfect. We have to make it square. Square means the base should be 5 into 5, 50 into 50 means the top should be 50 into 50 millimeters. So how we will make it this 50 into 50? First we put the square tray here, and by the hammer you can apply and with the pressure of force lightly. Now we check it's a 5, yes. Now it's a perfect 5. Okay. Another side, it's not 5, you see, it's not 5, around 7. So you have to make in 5 into 5. How? Now, one procedure, put this edge, you have to strike. You see. Now, this one is 5. This one is 5. Means our tray dimension is perfect now. Means we confirm my dimension perfect means you have to lock it. This trapezium you have to bend and lock. How? This instrument. This instrument name I told in the first, this is a vice. So the holding device, it has two jaw. One is movable, another is fixed jaw. If you want some hold some things, some tools, like this stake, this one is called as stake. So according to the stake, you have to make it. First, you have to hold this one. How? Like this. We hold this one. Okay. You see? Now it's perfect. You have to only lock this four side. So what should we do? Now first, you keep and you put your tray like this on the stake which is fixed on bench wise. Then you place your fingers and pull out in the words. Then you hold your hammer like this, not like this. Okay. Then you apply pressure by you strike. Okay. Now see, it is locked. It will never open because we locked this one. You see this folded. Okay. Then once again we'll check. It's a 5 and it's a 5. Means now it's a perfect. One thing, after the folding, no gap between the two metal piece because you have to joining this surface through the soldering process. Okay. So now next step will go to soldering process.
Sir, we will stick the ends with gum.
Yeah. So now you fold your sheet, paper sheet, each side, 4 sides there means only 25 will fold. 50 is your base.
Like this.
Miss, yeah, like this. And the blockage, the lock area, you use the
Yes, sir,
glue.
like this, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you use the glue. Okay. Okay, so wait. So after completion of video, one video is there, and one is soldering process. So then after 10 minutes, you complete your paperwork. Then you write your name or number. You send the photo to the. So I will give a link to you. Okay, so now you watch another video is there. That soldering process means how performing soldering after completion of folding bending operation. Okay.
After the bending, we will start the joining process. So sheet metal has many types of joining process like soldering, brazing, riveting, hemming or shimmy. But we have to do here soldering operation. For the soldering operation, we'll use plier, hand gloves, flux, solder and soldering iron. So for the safety reason, you have to wear first your gloves. Then plier. Why is plier necessary? Because this instrument is very hot. So when you hold by your hand or naked hand, it will be damage your hand. So always use plier during the soldering operation. So first we'll check it's perfect hot or not, because we have to melt this material. If it melted means soldering iron is ready for the soldering operation. So before soldering operation, any type of scratcher material will be used for the scratching of the edges by which part we want to solder. Why? It will help to easily solder on the surface, because any type of carbon or any type of foreign material are deposited on the surface of these edges, so soldering cannot make easy. So it is necessary first scratch this portion before soldering. Now you hold the soldering iron, solder. So flux, when will you use? Flux is rarely used. Flux, why flux is used? Now flux is a material with a zinc chloride which is help to protect the oxidation to the body and separate the impurities of the metal material. Okay, so now real use means just needle point will use before soldering. You can use here, and you hold on the right hand your soldering iron, on the left hand solder. At a time you put on the tray of the base metal which one you want to solder. One join, two join, three join. Then you hold like this and you make an angle like minimum 60 degree. Your soldering iron should be. Keep some time, some second on the surface of the tray. It will melt your material. Then you move your hand backward and forward position like this. Okay, you see, this is a solder. Next. keep filtering. You put the tray for the few seconds because it's very hot now. So it will be cool. After cool, will get the soldering operation will complete. Why soldering is necessary? Because after completion of tray, if you put something on the tray, so like is water, oil, something, but the water oil leakage problem is solved by the soldering operation. So now we get our square tray, whose dimension is base dimension is 15 to 50, height is 25 millimeter, and each side is perfect and she is like a square tray. So this is called as square tray. So after completion, we get a square tray finalized. It's okay. Thank you.
Sir, done, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Can you see this?
Okay, that's good. Okay, now what you have to do?
Done, sir.
हाँ. ये कौन दो बनाया हो 780 रोल नंबर 780 एक गलत हो गया था तो फिर सही कर दिया. अच्छा जो सही बना है अभी क्या करना है तो बीच में तुम्हारा रोल नंबर लिखना है.
सर हमने सब पेपर में मेजरमेंट्स नहीं लिखा सर, बस नॉर्मल.
ठीक है
चलेगा
तो हाँ चलेगा. बीच में रोल नंबर लिखो और फोटो लेना उसका.
सर सिर्फ ऊपर एंगल से या
कोई भी एंगल से केवल ऊपर. You can take 2-3 snaps also from different angles.
Yes, sir.
And from where your roll number must be visible on the picture.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. And copy all those photographs over a Word file and convert it into PDF file.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
and I am sending the link to your mail ID. Creating a link in the Google Classroom. So to that you upload your PDF file, the image of the PDF, the PDF file in which your images will be there. Okay. So make it a single page. Okay. Whatever number of photos are there, make it a single page.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood whatever instructions I have given, Shivam?
Yes, sir. We have to make. We have to click 2 or 3 pictures, and we have to make one PDF. And on the box, the name and roll number should be written, and we have to submit to you.
Okay. So
Sir, only roll or name both, sir.
only roll number on the paper
Okay,
draft you have made. So all of you can submit within next 10 minutes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1 p.m. deadline.
Okay.
sir.
Okay, I am giving 1 p.m. deadline. Is it okay to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students, I have uploaded the link in the Google Classroom. So please submit there over within or before 1 p.m. Okay.
Sir, can we write our roll numbers inside?
Roll number?
At side, sir.
Rename the file number. Your PDF file, you rename it according to your roll number.
Sir, can we write our roll number on the side page in that job, sir?
Side, anywhere you can write.
Okay, sir.
Anywhere you can write. Your roll number must be visible in the picture.
Okay.
Your roll number, wherever you write, that must be clearly visible in the picture. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before 1 p.m., all of you please upload that assignment, and at 1 p.m. I will take the attendance. Okay.
So we will write the name and then what we have to write on the PDF?
Nothing you have to write.
Just roll number and
Roll number on the job, on the model, you have to write your roll number, which will be
Yes, sir.
clearly visible in the image. That image pictures, you set it on a Word file, paste, Microsoft Word. That will be easier.
Yes, sir.
On a Word file, you set that pictures. Okay, one or two or three, whatever you have, according to your judgment, the pictures, number of pictures you decide, and that file you convert it into PDF and rename that PDF file as per your roll number. Understood all in the instructions, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then finally you upload in the Google Classroom. Before 1 p.m., please all of you do that. Do this.
Hello, hello, Subham, please mute your mic.
Roll number 829, Subham. Roll number 829, Subham. Please mute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, roll number 840. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, file
You have submitted. What you say? What were you saying?
Sir, फाइल का नेम क्या रखना है सर?
Your roll number only.
ओके सर. सर और कुछ भी है जो सबमिट करना है? जस्ट वही फाइल सबमिट करना था ना?
File. Wait a minute. Lab record, no, turning lab record. Turning lab record, when is your date?
7th.
7 April, sir.
7th April.
7th.
So that is time, 4 days time you have, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we will submit the PDF only with roll number.
Huh.
Okay, sir.
So students, I'll be taking the attendance at 1 p.m. Before that, all of you please submit this assignment.
Sir, 745 submitted.
Yes, sir. 764 submitted.
749, sir. Submitted.
753 submitted.
Sir, 748 submitted.
No need to announce. I can say, see whoever have submitted. Finally at 1 p.m. I will say those who have not submitted. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, done.
So those who have submitted, can they leave?
Wait, I'll be taking the attendance. Then you can leave.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, due to network problem, I had just posted the picture and showing late. I just posted out at 1 o'clock.
Okay, timing is there with me. You don't have to worry.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you will take attendance at 1 p.m.
Yes, yes.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर स्टिक सही से नहीं हुआ सर, चलेगा?
क्या हुआ?
सर स्टिक सही से नहीं हुआ है सर, वो चलेगा सर? सर
Sticks?
थोड़ा लूज है स्टिक सर।
Stick?
हाँ सर। यस सर।
What about stick? I don't understand. What is stick?
Sir, we have to stick the parts, no sir?
Huh?
Sir, he means paste part.
You have to glue the areas those.
सर तो वही
which is needed,
सर
ना?
थोड़ा सा लूज है सर, वो सर चलेगा?
वो मुझे नहीं चलेगा, मतलब तुम्हारा पिक्चर कैसे आ रहा है वो that depends.
ओके सर।
I will see the picture and see what work you have done. Okay.
ओके सर।
Attendance. Okay, students, please be ready. I am taking the attendance. Hope all of you have submitted.
Yes, sir.
सर अटेंडेंस के बाद लीव कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, अटेंडेंस के बाद लीव सर।
सर
यस
सर, मैं जस्ट अभी सबमिट किया, मेरा वापस स्टार्टिंग से करना पड़ा।
ठीक है, नो इशू।
थैंक यू सर।
Okay, starting with the roll number 472.
Yes sir. Sir 742.
742. Sorry.
Yes sir.
744. 744. Absent. 745.
Present, sir.
746.
Present, sir.
47. Absent.
Present, sir.
Silent.
Present, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49.
Present, sir.
51. 51. Subham.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
52. Simran.
Present sir.
53.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56.
Present, sir.
58.
Present sir.
61.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present sir.
65.
Present sir.
66.
Yes, sir.
67.
Present, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71.
Present, sir.
72.
Present, sir.
73. 73. Anushka Shruti. Absent. 75.
Present, sir.
76.
Present, sir.
78. 78. Aryan Jha. Absent. 79.
Present, sir.
80.
Present, sir.
83. Aryan Chakraborty absent. 85,
Present, sir.
86, 86 Bibhas absent.
ऑफलाइन चला गया सर.
Okay. 87 Vibhu Kalyani.
Present, sir.
89,
Present, sir.
90,
Present, sir.
91,
Present, sir.
92,
Present, sir.
93, Devajyoti gone absent. 97,
She's in offline.
Sir is
Okay.
gone offline.
97,
Present, sir.
98,
Present, sir.
99,
Present, sir.
801, Kartika Patel. 801 absent. 802,
Present, sir.
804,
Present, sir.
806,
Present, sir.
807, Neha Bajpayee absent. 808,
Present, sir.
810,
Present, sir.
811,
Present, sir.
812,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15, 15 Ronojoy Chatterjee absent. 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24, 24 Satyam Maurya absent. 25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32, 33,
Present, sir.
35, 35
university.
absent. 36,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
43,
Present, sir.
45, Harish Chotrani absent. 46,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56, 56, Aishwarya Kumari absent.
Sir, she went offline, sir.
Okay. 57,
Present, sir.
58, 59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
67,
Present, sir.
68,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
75, 75 Vaishnavi Parida absent. 76.
Present, sir.
Okay, now I am calling the absentee roll numbers. Roll number 744 Satyaprakash
Sir,
Sadavil.
744. Sir, I am present, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Roll number 773 Anushka Shruti absent. 778 Aryan Jha absent. 783 Aryan Chakraborty absent. 786 Vivas absent. 793 Ravantigon absent. 801 Kartika Patel absent. 807 Neha Vajpayee absent.
सर वो ऑफलाइन है.
Okay. 815 Ronajay Chatterjee absent. 824 Satyam Maurya absent. 835 Subham Das absent. 835 Subham Das absent. 845 Tarish
So 845 is present.
845 present.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 856 Aishwarya Kumari absent. And 875 Vaishnavi Parida absent. Okay, done.
सर मेरा
Now let me tell you those who have not submitted the sheet metal job model.
सर
Yes.
सर 745 सर आपने बोला था सर उसमें रोल नंबर लिखने के लिए सर मैंने उसमें गलती से नाम भी लिख दिया था सर फिर उस नाम पे व्हाइटनर मार के सर वो फोटो उठा के दिया सर कुछ
No issue.
ओके सर थैंक यू
So only missing students are Anushka Shruti and Kartika Patel. Okay, Kartik Patel and Anushka Shruti. Those two people have not submitted yet. And Tauris Chotrani, I don't see. Wait a minute.
So we can leave.
Wait a minute. 845. 845, Tarish Chotrani.
Yeah, done, sir. Just submitting.
I can't see your file. And also for Vaishnavi Parida. Vaishnavi Parida, roll number 875. Are you there, Vaishnavi Parida? Roll number 875. So Tarish and Vaishnavi, if you people have submitted, I am not able to see your file over here in the Google Classroom. Okay, so please resubmit probably, or let me check. It is not yet showing. Everybody else has been turned in except Tarish and Vaishnavi and Anushka and Kartik. Okay, students, that's all for today's class. All of you can.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
So next class we will be having quiz test on sheet metal work, and one assignment will be given on the class, so that you have to submit. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.